What's up guys? Did you guys just see that max foam? Do you guys want to maximize your foam? Make sure to stay tuned. In this video, I'll be going over 5 different tips to maximize your foam when using a foam cannon. Let's get started. To start off with tip number 1, we always recommend using warm water, and always apply warm water before applying a soap, because whenever you apply chemicalized soap into warm water, it's going to cause a chemical reaction that's going to help you produce thick shaving cream like foam. But now we're going to be moving on to tip number 2, is stir, don't shake when using a soap. So I'm just going to remove the head off the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon, put this off to the side. So when it comes to using the soap, we always recommend applying it in after, because if you apply it in before, the soap and water mixture is going to cause foam in here, and you don't want no foam inside your foam cannon canister. You want it all on your car. So let me just apply 1 ounce. So I just applied 1 ounce, and I'll reattach my Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon back onto it. And here's the tricky part. A lot of people I've seen, me personally, I used to do it before, is I used to grab my foam cannon and just shake it like crazy, but you do not want to do that. You just want to simply stir it or just move it up and down. What this is going to cause is going to cause a proper mixture. It's not going to cause foam in here, and I have all the foam coming out of the mouth of it onto the car. So now we're gonna be moving on to tip number 3, and this is going to be using the proper equipment. By that, I recommend using a shorter pressure washer wand, like the TORQ Snubby. So the TORQ Snubby, 1, it's compact, 2, you're not losing PSI, and 3, you have control all over the vehicle whenever you're foaming the car. Versus using a longer pressure washer wand, they lose PSI because you have more flow of water going through it, and then it gets to your foam cannon, and that's when you lose PSI. So use a compact pressure washer wand like the TORQ Snubby to maximize your foam when using a foam cannon. So after you're done foaming any vehicle, we always recommend running clean water through your foam cannon head. So simply unattach the foam cannon head off of your foam cannon. You'll attach it to your pressure washer wand, and you'll just run clean water through it. This is going to remove any buildup or soap residue that is left in your foam cannon head. It's going to prevent clogging and calcium buildup, and you're always gonna have max foam coming out of your foam cannon whenever you use it. If you do not run clean water through it, you could also have buildup, and over time, your foam cannon may clog up. So take this easy step. It's going to take you 5 seconds. Just unattach your foam cannon from your foam canister, run clean water, and like that, you maintain it. And finally, tip number 5, we will be going over the 3 different types of foam cannons, because whenever it comes to using a foam cannon, we always recommend using the proper pressure washer and the proper PSI and gallons per minute. So on my left hand side, you see the Max Foam 8 professional foam cannon that works great with gas pressure washers, versus on the right hand side, you see the snow foamer that works great with any electric pressure washer. Here at Chemical Guys, we found out that gas pressure washers are going to produce the most foam, but if you live in an apartment where you have noise complaints and you can't have so much noise, we recommend going with the electric pressure washer and the snow foamer. And now we're moving on to the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon. The minimum PSI level this foam cannon needs is 800. But don't forget, we also need to go over gallons per minute. So the Max Foam 8 foam cannon needs a gallons per minute of 1.4, as well as the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon. On the other hand, the snow foamer only needs a gallons per minute of 1.2 to shoot shaving cream like foam, like we do on our videos. So now that I just finished going over the 5 different tips, it's time to foam up this Scion FRS. I hope these 5 tips help you maximize your foam whenever it comes to using a foam cannon. If you guys want to learn more about these foam cannons, hop on our YouTube channel and check out all the tons of videos we have. We have 1,000+ videos that show you basically how to do anything on your vehicle. Or stop by a local detail garage, ask them questions, or message us on social media, and we'll get back to you guys. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.